New York City, the city that never sleeps, is filled with iconic landmarks. From the bustling energy of Times Square to the Statue of Liberty, experience the vibrancy of this global metropolis. Las Vegas, Nevada. Las Vegas, the city of lights and excitement, offers a dazzling display of neon-lit streets. World-famous casinos and luxurious resorts discover the thrill and energy that define this desert oasis. Welcome to Los Angeles, California, home to Hollywood and the entertainment industry. Explore the iconic landmarks, from the bustling streets of downtown to the serene shores of Venice Beach. Philadelphia, where American history comes to life. From the Liberty Bell to Independence Hall, this city offers a deep connection to the birth of the United States. Milwaukee, Wisconsin, is known for its brewing heritage and cultural diversity. Set along scenic riverfronts, the city welcomes you with a blend of history and modern charm. Chicago, the Windy City, stands tall, with its impressive skyline along Lake Michigan. From architectural marvels to a vibrant art scene, Chicago is a dynamic hub of culture and innovation. Aloha from Honolulu. Here, the pristine beaches of Waikiki meet the rich cultural heritage of Hawaii. Explore the vibrant city life with stunning views of the Pacific Ocean. Yellowstone National Park invites you to witness its geothermal wonders. Geysers like Old Faithful and bubbling hot springs are set against a backdrop of pristine mountains and untouched wilderness. Utah's Arches National Park showcases over 2,000 natural stone arches, carved over millions of years. These red rock formations create a stunning desert landscape that feels almost surreal. Niagara Falls stuns with its immense power and beauty. The thundering cascade of water as it crashes down the cliffs offers one of the most mesmerizing natural sights on Earth. Horseshoe Bend in Arizona offers a dramatic view of the Colorado River as it curves gracefully through towering canyon walls. This iconic viewpoint is a must-see in the American Southwest. The Grand Canyon's vast, layered gorges stretch as far as the eye can see. This world-renowned natural wonder is a breathtaking testament to the power of time and erosion. Death Valley National Park presents a landscape of extremes. Its salt flats, towering dunes, and jagged peaks make it one of the most unique and otherworldly desert environments. Big Creek Bridge along the Big Sur coastline offers spectacular ocean views. The rugged cliffs and crashing waves make this stretch of road one of California's most scenic routes.